Shah Waliullah was not only a religious scholar, but also a powerful reformer who worked to improve the social and religious fabric of Muslim society in the Indian subcontinent. One of his most important social contributions was his effort to reduce the differences between Sunni and Shia Muslims. At a time when religious divisions were deep, he preached unity and mutual respect. His famous book, Izalat al-Akhfa, directly addressed the causes of conflict and misunderstandings between different Muslim sects. He believed that focusing on common beliefs rather than differences could strengthen the Muslim Ummah. To make the teachings of Islam more accessible, Shah Waliullah translated the Qur'an into Persian, the language spoken by most educated people in the region at that time. This was revolutionary, because before that, many Muslims couldn't fully understand the Qur'an due to the language barrier. His translation helped people connect directly with the message of Allah without needing an interpreter. He also wrote detailed commentaries on Hadith to explain the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in a practical and understandable way. His writings helped scholars and common people understand how to apply Islamic values in their daily lives. Perhaps one of his greatest intellectual contributions was his book Hujjatullah al-Baligha, The Conclusive Argument from God. In this work, Shah Waliullah showed how Islam offers solutions to modern-day problems, such as injustice, corruption, and social inequality. He connected Islamic principles with logic, reason, and human behavior, making the case that Islamic teachings are timeless and relevant for every era. Through his books, translations, and deep concern for unity, Shah Waliullah tried to rebuild a fragmented society, bringing Muslims back to the essence of their faith with knowledge, understanding, and compassion.